All right, baby. It's brisk, another brisk 7 a.m. morning. IREN was up about 15% yesterday. And so if you're just seeing it now, it probably feels like you missed it. Big moves are gone, but that's the wrong takeaway. So zoom out for a second. IREN was 74, I think 75 in early November, maybe 76. And then it got cut by more than half down to the low 30s by December. Nothing broke and the business didn't implode. What broke was just the confidence from the market and the stock. And that's the part that most people get wrong. They think a 50% drawdown in a name like IREN means that the story's dead. And in reality, that's often when the real information starts showing up. So the question is, what matters now at 60 bucks? It's not yesterday's 15% move, and it's not rumors. What matters is really earnings next week, which are coming out. And that's when you're going to find out whether the cost structure held up for IREN in the quarter, whether their capacity and efficiency actually improved, or whether the demand is real or just a narrative about AI and the need for all these data centers that they're building. So if you're already in IREN, the question isn't, should I sell because it bounced? The question is really, did anything fundamentally change from the lows in December, or was it just fear gripping, irrationally and resetting the price with nothing fundamentally changed in the business? So, and if you're not in the name, you want to know, like, if I'm chasing a green candle, am I going to lose money? Did I miss the move? Or are you waiting for clarity? Is there even more upside ahead, despite big moves like the one you saw yesterday? So even if you pay a little bit more now, is this a stock that's going to 100, 150 in the near term? That's really what you want to be listening for in the earnings. So here's the real lesson from IREN. Big winners don't move in straight lines. We saw the same kind of crazy volatility in Carvana. We've seen similar volatility, although not recently, with Opendoor as well. These names do not move in straight lines. They move with violent resets. And if a stock can drop 50% and then recover in a month each way without breaking the business, that tells you something just about their own durability and the high level of interest from investors in the name. So earnings are going to tell you whether the durability is actually real. And that's what I'm going to be watching for next week. Also, AWS rumors as well of a deal, but we'll see. This was day 162.